D-train, closing the doors by the porter buttons if you're in passenger service. When shunt signal Bravo Bravo 29 clears with a Route 1 indication, proceed onto 22 Road at no more than 10 miles an hour. Look out for the speed-controlled train stop. Stop at the yellow walk board, shut down and walk through the train. D-train closing the doors by the porter buttons. Normally platform staff would do this for you. Signal Bravo Bravo 31 is a multi-spatted signal. Please take extra care here. When the signal clears, proceed onto 22 Road. The maximum speed here is 10 miles an hour. Watch out for the speed-controlled train stop. Stop at the yellow walk board, shut down and walk back through the train. When ground-mounted shunt signal Bravo Bravo 6 clears with a Route 2 indication, proceed to platform 3. The maximum speed here is 10 miles an hour. D-train closing the doors by the porter buttons. Platform staff may do this for you. When shunt signal Bravo Bravo 9 clears with a Route 2 indication, proceed towards the shed at a maximum speed of 5 miles an hour. When entering the shed, sound a short blast on the soft whistle. Look out for the speed control train stop. If the train is being stabled on the front of 26 Road, you must stop over the diamond stopping mark to the left of the track. There's another speed-controlled train stop here. If you're stabling the train at the back of 26 Road, you must stop right over the diamond stopping mark to the left of the track. When your train number appears in the number box, press the plunger to confirm what road you're on. Signal Bravo Bravo 27 Alpha is a multi-spadded signal and has no train stop. Take extra care, as a spad here could result in a collision. When this shunt signal clears, sound a short blast on the soft tone whistle and move along the shed at a maximum speed of 5 miles an hour. Make sure you check that the shunt signal Bravo Bravo 27 Bravo to your left is cleared with a route indication. In this case, the driver has been given a route 1 for platform 3.
Control 231.
Signal Bravo Bravo 34 331, ground mounted in the 6-foot, is a speed control signal which should clear if your speed is 5 miles an hour or less. You should be prepared to stop here. Signal Bravo Bravo 34 330 is another speed control signal, also in the 6-foot, which again should clear if your speed is 5 miles an hour or less. Stop at the stopping mark. When signal Bravo Bravo 35 clears with a junction indicator, Proceed via 21 crossover towards platform 2. The maximum speed from this point onwards is 15 miles an hour. Signal Bravo Bravo 261, mounted on the bridge to your right, is a speed control signal, which should clear if your speed is 15 miles an hour or less. Be prepared to stop here. Signal Bravo Bravo 262 is another speed control signal on the gantry over the platform edge, which again should clear if your speed is 15 miles an hour or less. Stop at the stopping mark.